FC BIOS Cold Chain Helpdesk is a centralized resource to answer questions, troubleshoot problems, and facilitate solutions. Browse to Helpdesk website at www.helpdesk.fcbios.com.my. You may find the Helpdesk General Information Guidelines and important announcements on the home page or Support Center home. To report an issue or submit enquiry about your real-time monitoring system, you may submit a new ticket to our technical support team. Navigate to the Open New Ticket page and select your system model with the related problem or issue from the Help topic list. Enter your details into the Contact Information form. If you are raising a ticket request to change the alert number for the TempGuard wired system, enter the controller ID and SIM number including the newly assigned alert number. Describe your issue or enquiry in the Ticket Details section and click Create Ticket in order to submit. You will receive an email from the Helpdesk system together with the ticket number and a link to view the ticket's progress. Alternatively, you may also check the ticket progress by navigating to the Check Ticket Status page. Enter your email address and the ticket number. Click on the Email Access link button in order to access the ticket progress details. Last but not least, we encourage you to visit the Knowledge Base page to browse for FAQs on common issues.